Human growth hormone, or HGH for short, is a single protein chain that comes from the pituitary gland. As a hormone, HGH is most commonly known for developing linear growth and lean body mass in humans, stimulating muscle and bone cells as people transition from birth to adulthood. However, HGH performs many other functions as it targets multiple areas of the body, such as the liver, skeletal muscle, and cartilage. It is shown to help with our metabolism, insulin levels, and maintaining our normal body structure. With abnormal levels of HGH in the system, many different deficiencies can be caused. For example, a lack of HGH causes growth hormone deficiency, which typically results in shorter heights. HGH is able to carry out its purpose by connecting to growth hormone receptors on cells to where it signals the nucleus to increase uptake in amino acids. For HGH to reach cells, the hormone must travel from the pituitary gland through the bloodstream to its destination, the liver cells. Due to its ligand nature, HGH must bind to receptors in order to deliver its message. To do this, HGH binds with cytokine receptors, surface cells, glycoproteins, specifically meant to bond to cytokines, which have their own unique process for cell communication. When HGH approaches a cell membrane, it binds to two cytokine receptors there, called human growth hormone binding proteins. These receptors then combine and form a dimer, relaying the signal using cytoplasmic tyrosine kinases. There are 3 different tyrosine kinases that can aid in transporting the message of HGH. The 3 different tyrosine kinases are JAK-STAT pathway, MAPK pathway, and IRS pathway. JAK-STAT signaling in particular has the JAK kinase bond with the dimer, and the JAK then cross-phosphorize each other. Once activated, the JAK phosphorize the cytoplasmic portion of the receptors. STAT proteins then enter the scene and bind with the phosphotyrosine complexes on the receptors so that the JAK can phosphorylate the STAT proteins. The phosphorylated STAT proteins then break apart from the receptors and bond together. After combining, the STAT dimer travels to the nucleus and binds to the promoter region of the cytokine responsive genes. Activating the gene transcription, the cell will have received the message by this point and will respond by producing the protein insulin-like growth factor, or IGF-1, which takes its own journey through the body to deliver the original message to the bones and muscles of the body.